Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. I will go with Opera mini browser and some kind of SMS app. When your apps are ready, go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Now click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser and SMS app, so I have to click on one of those. Tap on an app that I wish to change, in my case type SMS. Click on OK in the pop-up and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!